Hello, my name is Anna. I live in Dublin, Ireland. Today I want to tell you a story, a true story, a beautiful story.
It was a cold morning, a Saturday morning. The sky was gray, very gray. It was very Irish weather. I walked to Dún Laoghaire. Dún Laoghaire is a small town. It is near Dublin. It has a big pier, a very long pier. The pier goes out into the blue sea. Do you know the word pier? A pier is like a road on the water, a stone road. I like to walk there. The sea air is very fresh, very cold. The sound of the water is calm. Shh, shh. I walked slowly, and I looked at the sea. The waves were small. The seagulls were flying in the sky. They were white. And then I saw something on the wet sand. It was near the water. I stopped walking. What is that? I thought. What is on the sand? I walked closer, slowly, very slowly. I did not want to make a loud noise. The thing on the sand was small, very small. It was gray and wet. And then it moved. It moved its tail. "Oh no," I said. "Oh no. What is that?" It was an animal, a sea animal. It was a seal, a baby seal, very, very small. Maybe it was 2 days old or 3 days old. The baby seal was alone, completely alone. There was no mother seal. There were no other seals, just this small, gray baby on the cold, wet sand. The seal opened its eyes. It looked at me. It had big, black eyes. Big, round, beautiful eyes, like 2 big buttons. "Oh, you poor thing," I said softly. "Where is your mother? Where is your mummy?" I looked around. I looked to the left. I looked to the right. I looked at the big sea. I looked at the big waves. No mother seal. No seals at all. Just the cold waves and the strong wind. And this small, scared baby. I did not know what to do. The baby was cold. It was shaking. I took out my mobile phone. I called the ISPCA. ISPCA. What does it mean? It means it is a very big name. In Ireland, if you find a wild animal, a hurt animal, or a lost animal, you call the ISPCA. They help. I put the phone to my ear. The phone rang. 1, 2, 3 times. And then a woman answered. She said, "Hello, this is the ISPCA emergency line. How can I help you today? I answered, Hello, my name is Anna. I am at Dún Laoghaire Beach, near the Laoghaire Pier. I found a baby seal. The woman said, Oh, a baby seal. Is the seal alone? I answered, Yes, it is completely alone. There is no mother here. I looked left, I looked right, I looked everywhere. The seal is very small, very young. The woman said, I understand. Listen to me carefully, Anna. Do not touch the seal. Please do not touch it. Wild seals can bite, and the mother will not come back if you touch the baby. I said, Okay, I will not touch it. I am standing far away. The woman said, Good, and please stay with the seal. Do not leave the beach. Do not go home. I asked, Stay with the seal? She said, Yes, please stay there. Keep other people away, and please keep dogs away. Dogs are dangerous for baby seals. We will send an inspector. Someone will come to help you in about 30 minutes. Can you wait? I said, Yes, I can wait. I will stay here and watch the baby. Thank you. Thank you very much. The woman said, Thank you, Anna. See you soon. The call ended. I looked at the seal. Don't worry, little one, I said. Help is coming. I will stay with you. So, I stayed. I sat down on the cold sand. Not too close, not too far. Just near. I wanted to watch the seal. The baby seal closed its eyes. It was sleeping. Its small gray body moved up and down, up and down. It was breathing slowly. The sun came out, just a little bit, through the gray clouds. But then, suddenly, I heard a loud noise. Woof, woof, woof! Oh no, a dog. A big brown dog. It was running fast, straight to the baby seal. I shouted, Oh no, stop, stop, no, go back. I stood up fast. I ran. I stood between the big dog and the small seal. I waved my hands. No, dog, stop! A man ran to us. He was running fast. He looked worried. The man shouted, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I said, Please, please keep your dog on a lead. Look over there. There is a baby seal. A very small baby seal is on the sand. The man said, Oh, I see it now. I am so sorry. Come here, Max. Come here now. The man took his dog. He put a rope on the dog. He walked away. I exhaled. Phew. I looked at the seal. The seal opened its big black eyes. It looked scared. Then it closed them again. 10 minutes later, more people came. 2 tourists walked to us. It was a man and a woman. They had big cameras. The tourist woman said, Oh my God, look! A real seal! It is so cute. Can we touch it? Can we take a photo with it? I said quickly, "No, please, please do not touch the seal. Do not go near it. It is a baby. It is waiting for the doctor. The ISPCA, they are coming now." The tourist man said, "Oh, okay, we understand. We are sorry." They stopped. They took a photo, but they stood far away. That was good. Very good. At last, after 30 minutes, a car arrived. A big white van. On the side of the van, there were green letters. It said, ISPCA. The van stopped. A woman got out of the car. She wore a warm green jacket, and she carried a big plastic box. It was a special box for animals. She shouted, "Hello, are you Anna?" I said, Yes, I am Anna. Hello. The baby seal is here. Look." The rescue woman walked to the seal. She walked slowly, very carefully. She looked at the small animal. She said softly, "Ah, yes, it is a baby gray seal, very, very young, maybe 3 days old. And it is a girl." I asked, "A girl? It's a girl seal?" The woman smiled. "Yes, a little girl. But look, she is a bit thin. She is hungry. Maybe her mother got lost in a storm, or maybe something bad happened to her." I felt very sad. I said, "Oh no, will she be okay? Will she live?" The woman said, "Yes, I think so. We will take her to our marine unit. It is near the Dublin Zoo. They have special care for baby seals there. Doctors will look after her. We will feed her special milk, and we will help her grow big and strong." The woman opened the big box. She picked up the baby seal, gently, very gently, with a warm towel. The baby seal made a small sound, a very soft, crying sound, like, eh, eh. My heart melted. I asked the woman, "Excuse me, can I come to visit her? To see her? Later?" The woman answered, "Of course, in a few weeks, when she is bigger and stronger. Give us a call, and you can visit her." I said, "Thank you." The woman closed the box. She put the box into the white van, and then they left. The van drove away. The beach was quiet again, just the sound of the water. 3 weeks later, time passed quickly. I did not forget the baby seal. One sunny morning, I went to see her, at the marine unit. When I saw her, oh my God, she was completely different. She was not small now. She was bigger, much bigger, and she was fat, round and fat like a big gray pillow, and she looked very happy. She was playing in a small pool. She swam in the water. She splashed water with her flippers. Splash, splash. Then she stopped. She looked at me. She had the same big black eyes, the same round eyes. But now she was strong. She was healthy. I smiled and said, "Hello, little one. Do you remember me?" The seal looked at me for a long time. And then she made a loud sound. Eh! Eh! I laughed. Yes, I think you remember me too. The doctor walked to me and said, "Today is a special day, Anna. She is ready. We are releasing her today, back to the wild sea." We drove back to the same beach, in Dún Laoghaire. The weather was nice. The sun was shining. The rescue woman put the box on the sand, near the water. She opened the door of the box. The seal looked out. She saw the big blue sea. She smelled the salty water. She looked at the waves, and then she started to move. Slowly, at first. She was heavy now, then faster. Flap, flap, flap on the sand. She went straight into the cold water. Splash. She was in the sea. We stood on the beach, and we watched. We watched her swim. She was very fast in the water. She swam further and further away from the beach. She popped her head out of the water one last time to look at us. Then she turned, swam down, and disappeared. We could not see her anymore. I whispered, "Goodbye, little girl. Be safe, be happy, and be free."
This is my story. A true story. From Dublin, from Ireland. In life, sometimes you find something small, something that is weak, something that needs help, and you stop it, and you help. The word for this beautiful action is kindness. Kindness. Please be kind. Be kind to wild animals, be kind to people, be kind to everyone. Now you know the story of Anna and a beautiful baby seal on a Dublin beach. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for practicing your English with me. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next story. Bye-bye.